everybody, it's Dr. Blake the Cooking Doc. Today's our next video in our series of how to chop vegetables. We're doing celery, we're doing carrot. Stay tuned. Let's start with the carrot. Learning to dice a carrot is an important skill as you're learning to build flavor in whatever dish you're cooking. If you haven't seen my video about how to dice an onion, that's probably the first place to start. You can check that out right here. There are a couple things you need to know about chopping a carrot. First, you need a sharp knife, then you need a peeler, and let's get going. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to peel our carrot. Okay. After you have it peeled, you're going to slice off both ends of the carrot. Just a little bit. The hard thing about a carrot is that it's long, and so in order to get it straight all the way through, you have to cut it into more manageable, bite-sized pieces. This carrot is small, so we're just going to cut it one time. Next, we're going to take our two halves of carrot and we're going to cut them into strips. So we're going to do this with both sides. Then that leaves us with a number of these medium-sized strips that are flat on both sides. Having a flat carrot on both sides allows you to chop or dice much more easily. So now that we have these bite-sized pieces of carrot, we're going to cut them into little strips. Now you can stop here if you want matchstick carrots and use them easily in a raw dish. But if we're going to dice them, we're going to turn them to the side and we are going to go ahead and chop them into evenly sliced pieces. Voila. These are our beautifully diced pieces of carrot. So good. Let's get to the celery. Celery is a crucial ingredient in a lot of things that you will be cooking at home. I never understand how celery imparts such flavor into a dish because when I taste it, it's pretty tasteless. It's basically water and crunch. That's why you dip it in so many things. But it really does add flavor when sauteed before you cook your long braising dish. So let's talk about chopping this stalk of celery. First thing we want to do is cut the ends of the celery off. Next, we want to get the celery into manageable pieces. So we're going to cut that in half here. That gives us 2 manageable pieces of celery. And then we are going to cut them into long strips. This is basic. We're going to cut them into thirds. If you want smaller chopped pieces, you can cut them into fourths. Then we're going to turn our matchsticks sideways, cut them into dice. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Dr. Blake the Cooking Doc. Make sure you've subscribed to my YouTube channel. Make sure you check me out at my website, thecookingdoc.co or thecookingdoc.tv. Sign up for my newsletter for weekly recipes and health cooking tips directly to your inbox. I'm also on Facebook and Instagram. Stay tuned next week for a new video.